What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to be talking about Rawtill4 versus the Starch solution. Now, this is something I've wanted to make for a while, just to share my thoughts and an opinion on it. I've been on a vegan lifestyle for 7 years, 7 years, and along that journey I've tried slightly junk food, vegan, more oily sort of vegan products, more processed products. And I've also done Starch solution because John McDougall was one of the big inspirations in my life. And then from being influenced by Arnold Ehret and his book, The Mucusless Diet Healing System, and being influenced by Freely the Banana Girl and the Rawtill4 community, I remember giving Rawtill4 a try. And what I noticed was that whenever I was junk food vegan, compared to standard sort of meat eating diet, I felt better. And then whenever I went to Starch solution, cut out all the oil, got all the oats and rice and potatoes, I felt even better. And then whenever I went to Rawtill4, I felt even better. And this is why Rawtill4 has been the main way I've been eating for the past 3 years. And right now I'm at the stage where every time I eat, like, say, a starchy meal for breakfast, I feel a lot more sluggish. I don't feel as energetic. I don't feel as light. So to me, Rawtill4 makes me feel so much better than Starch solution. Now, does this mean everybody should do Rawtill4? I don't know. Maybe give it a try if you've never done it. I will say one of the things that are not really pressed upon in the Rawtill4 community is vegetables. Fruit, of course, is amazing, and I reckon whenever you first come to a plant-based lifestyle, getting in enough calories should be one of your key focus. But if you've been doing it a while, the focus should be switched to more get in a lot of vegetables. Make sure you're meeting your nutritional profile. Green smoothies, lots of salads and broccoli and kale and stuff like that in the evenings. That is a really good tip. So Rawtill4 versus Starch solution, I say Rawtill4, feel more energetic, lighter, but you do what works for you. And with that being said, peace, love, veggies. I'm out.